doing a video on Racy, my kitten. She's still a baby. And she caught two mouse and one rat, and we think that she caught a bird, but we're not sure about it. If one of the cats ate it or she ate it herself. And look at that, she likes to chase after it. She would like anything that has a string and a toy on it. She would love like fishing poles that have a toy. It don't matter what kind of toy. Like that a lot. She likes playing strings. And when you hold her, you can see that she's lovely. And it's my birthday, so please comment and
yes, make sure you wish Johnny a happy birthday. Oh, and subscribe. It'll mean a lot to it.
And hit like.
Yes, like and subscribe. Comment, like, and subscribe. Well, yeah.
And she would like.
Go get the ball, Racy.
Tennis ball right there. So.
Here's her big nose. You're so adorable. Give me the ball. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's floating. Oh gosh. Racy. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
As you see,
Oh my gosh,
that
that's crazy.
the string has been torn up.
Torn to pieces. Racy.
So
We'll have to bury it.
So
Racy?
I'm just gonna.
Racy can tear it up. Here you go, Racy. Merry Christmas.
So it